Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome back to my office, and today I have the AidMax Smart Instant Meat Thermometer. And so if you've seen some of my other reviews, you've seen I reviewed a few different meat thermometers. I had gotten a couple of them for my different barbecues at my two different houses that I have. And I was like, man, these things are so cool. I need one for inside as well. So because even when I'm cooking stuff in the oven, I never know what the temperature is. So I got the other ones, I leave them outside. And this one here, I got a fancier one for the inside so I can check on the temperatures of my meats as I'm cooking them in the oven or air fryer or however I decide to cook it. So this is the AidMax Smart Instant Meat Thermometer. It seems like it can do food temperature range from minus 50 to minus 58 degrees to 572 degrees. So you could really crisp up something and it would be able to tell the temperature. So that's what it looks like there for some of the instructions on it. This is what this one looks like. It's, you know, see it's a different looking than some of those other ones kind of are. But it's got a backlight and everything, and it's water resistant, 2-second response time. So let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. So this is what it is inside here. So it comes with a little guide telling you the temperatures for the different levels of meat doneness. And then here's kind of a little bit more of information on it. It's kind of cool. It's got pictures of the different animals. So you just pick your picture of a chicken or whatever it is and it'll tell you what to do. And this is what it looks like here. And it even comes with a couple of AAA batteries to make it work, I'm sure. So let's see how this goes. We'll see if I can figure it out without even looking at the instructions. That's how I roll, because I'm a dude. That's what guys do. We just put batteries in and start rolling. So let's see. I heard a beep. So there we go. So this is what it looks like. And so here's the probe for it. So right there. So when you open it up, it turns on. And then, so right up. Yeah, so as I rotate it, so you can kind of see there, now it's set for chicken. And then I turn it, it's like, I think it's a picture of a cow. Keep turning it, and then there's maybe a sheep or something. I don't know what these other things are. I can't see, it's too far away from me. But you get the idea. So you can see the different ones. So I can say, so I have pork, and I can say I want pork well done. And then it wants to get to 71 degrees Celsius, but I don't want Celsius, I want Fahrenheit. So how do we do that? Now, 165 Fahrenheit. So now just holding down that little Celsius Fahrenheit button over here changes it to Celsius or Fahrenheit. So in America, I want to know Fahrenheit. So you take off the little rubber thing, obviously, to do it. You poke it into the meat, and you can do it. It seems like you can do it from pretty far away. It's nice. This would be good for barbecuing as well as for indoors. I just wanted one for indoors. Oops, turn it. It turns off and on as you open it, so that's kind of cool. And it's kind of cool. It's got different things. You got a timer on it. You can even set your timer for when you want to cook your food. So this one's like super full featured. It's got timers, and you set the different things. So I can set for a 6-second timer. Okay. And now we're counting down for 6 seconds, so 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and there we go. Timer's over. So pretty cool. So I like that. And I cook a lot of chicken, so I would go to chicken. I have no idea who wants chicken other than well done. So well done is 171 degrees, but then they say medium well is 165. So, and then there's another version, 145, but man, I want my chicken cooked when I eat chicken. So there we go. So I would say I want it well done at 171 degrees. I want my chicken cooked. Currently it's 79 degrees. Let's see what it is if I put my hand on there. So it's heating up. My hand's not super hot right now, but I'm already at 90 degrees. I've been holding all these products in the boxes and stuff, so it's probably a little cool, but I'm already at 95, so it's pretty close to my temperature. So I would say it's pretty darn accurate. So I like this one. Put the little rubber tip on it. Probably don't even need to put that rubber tip on it because once it's folded up, it's in its little area there. But I like this one. This one here is pretty nice. It does a lot more than some of those other ones where you just stick it in and tell the temperature. There's the instructions here. I'll kind of hold it up so you can kind of see what it looks like if you want to pause the screen and zoom in to read any of these instructions before you buy it. I'm going to put a link to the product in the description so you can click that and see what it looks like on Amazon. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video so you can see what it looks like here. And this is the AidMax the AidMax Smart Instant Meat Thermometer. It's called the Mini6 is the model, I guess. And it is pretty convenient and small. I'm gonna keep this right. I probably won't even put it into the drawer. I'm just gonna put it next to my oven because it'll be nice and handy that way. But I like it. I'm giving this a super thumbs up for me. I like the way I have the little dial to set the type of food that I'm cooking. So even if I'm cooking chicken and beef like on the barbecue, I can quickly switch between the two and check them out. Well, actually, I just know I just look at it and you can just go to the right one and say, okay, 171 was chicken well done, and then meat was whatever, it was 140, and just poke it into each of the meats and see what they are. So I like it, it's pretty good. So give it a thumbs up for me. I like it, nice and convenient and easy to use. Thumbs up, good. So stay tuned for more reviews as I get more stuff, and thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.